Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to talk to ChatGPT with voice in just a few easy steps.
Roughly 50.5% are male.
If you're looking to ChatGPT talking to each other, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To talk to ChatGPT with voice, first of all, open the ChatGPT app on your mobile device. Once you are on the main screen, open any chat or start a new one. At the bottom of the screen, next to the text box, you will see an audio recording icon. Tap on the audio recording icon to start voice input. Now, speak clearly into your device. ChatGPT will automatically read your voice input and respond back to you in audio form. You can ask any question or start a conversation.
Absolutely. I'm here to help with any questions you have or just to chat. As of August 2025, the world's population is estimated to be around 8.2 billion people.
Once the conversation is complete, tap on the cross icon to close the voice conversation screen. You can also see the text responses by ChatGPT in the conversation screen.